What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great and welcome to Roaring Percussion. My name is Will Roman. On this channel, I upload different rhythms as well as tips to help you as a percussionist. So if they interest you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a like on this video as it really helps the channel and allows YouTube to share this video with other percussionists. So today, we're going to be talking about Jorge El Niño Alfonso. Definitely by far one of the most influential congueros of all time. And we're going to be covering one of his most influential grooves and one of my personal favorites. Let's get started. So, Jorge El Niño Alfonso, man, he was a serious conga player. Those slaps, you hear that sound? My goodness. And Niño was on another level, guys. I mean, he's influenced greats such as Giovanni Hidalgo, where when you hear Gio play, that even when I heard that, you know, there's a lot of El Niño in Giovanni's playing. That if you don't really notice, you know, you think, you know, it's just Gio playing, but it's such a strong influence of El Niño and Gio's playing, it's crazy. So it was just something else to hear, you know, that solo that El Niño took. El Niño, if you didn't hear in the song, El Niño used to play with a group named Irakere, which was founded by legendary pianist Chucho Valdés. Irakere is by far one of the greatest bands ever, and it's definitely one of the coolest groups I listened to growing up. I mean, it was mixed with jazz, with funk, with songo. They even mix bata rhythms with other rhythms. I mean, it's something else.
Déjate de atrevimiento, mulata, déjate. Déjate de atrevimiento, mulata. Rico.
And Niño is definitely one of the most revered congueros out of Cuba. And he did so much for us congueros that, you know, I feel like we don't really appreciate now. You know, and everyone wants to, you know, play fast. Everyone wants to learn all the licks. You know, everyone wants to, you know, just do all the showy stuff. And, you know, no one wants to listen to what it is to carry a band or what it is to, you know, play with, you know, with purity, you know, purity to the genre and being authentic. El Niño definitely was that. I mean, he covered all those bases. And it's just, you know, it was amazing just to, you know, hear of El Niño, you know, growing up and you know, try to learn different things that he did, including this rhythm. So there's a rhythm that he played with Irakere on their song named Anyunga Anyunga. So it's one of the most popular songs from Irakere, one of my personal favorites as well. If you guys want to listen to the song, I'm going to leave it down in the description. So check this out, guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit that like button. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and I'll see you next Friday. Peace.